Well, something scared the two rabbits away. First one, and just a little while later the other one. The old Chuck, or Woody, is still here, surprisingly. He's way more skittish than the rabbits normally. But not at this moment for some reason. Whatever bothered the rabbits did not bother him. I heard a crow cawing and a squirrel chirping, barking. They were upset about something, and that seemed to bother the rabbits. I think that's why they left. But not the woodchuck, not the groundhog. Oh, that's a nice move there, buddy. I could see your face there and the top of your head, that dark top of your head. Nice. Thank you. Thank you. That'll be a good shot. Good job. Just pure luck. He just happened to turn this way. That's all. Just happened to turn this way. Yeah, lift your head up. They're so languid most of the time. Oops, is the dog barking? Nope, not even the dog barking is going to bother them. Not even that. What I was going to say is they're so languid and slow in their movements most of the time, but they can, when they get startled, they can move pretty quick. Alright, now we're looking mostly just at your backside. Up, then he turns around. Okay. Alright. We'll end on that.